This lighting system floods the entire space with an incredible 86,400 lumens of crisp 6500K daylight temperature light, making it ideal for professional detailing work. The expansive grid, composed of 14 individual hexagons within a rectangular frame, guarantees exceptionally uniform illumination without creating shadows or dark corners. Drawing 672 watts, its advanced LED technology provides a massive light output while remaining far more energy efficient than traditional high-intensity lighting solutions. Constructed with robust and high-quality materials, the fixture is built to last for years in a demanding workshop environment, resisting impacts and corrosion. Installation is surprisingly straightforward thanks to a user-friendly design that allows for quick and secure mounting directly onto a ceiling. Beyond its impressive performance, the striking honeycomb pattern offers a clean, professional aesthetic that elevates the look of any garage or studio.